In this video, I will show you how to make the 3 types pillars that are standard sizes that we use on all designs. So the first size is going to be a 20-inch by 20-inch pillar, and the height is going to be 36 inches. So I just type 36 inches. And then the coping, you just offset it by 2 inches and push and pull down by 2 inches. I make the 20 by 20 by 36 pillar. Go ahead and erase these. Go ahead and add the coping color onto here. And again, any type of structure that is not flush with the ground level, you will always use a retaining wall swatch or anything in the masonry / stone. So for instance, if they wanted masonry pillars, then I would just go ahead and import the masonry swatch. I would just color it with the rock this way. Otherwise, it would be with the retaining wall swatches. So that is a 20 by 20 by 36 pillar. Going on to the next one is a 32-inch by 32-inch base. And the height of it is also 36 inches. Same thing for the coping. Select it, do offset by 2 inches. And you're just going to push pull that down 2 inches. Erase this top line. Add your concrete color in for the coping, all the way around and underneath. And for this one, I'll go ahead and get a swatch from the retaining wall. So I'll go here to hardscape, and then I'll go to retaining wall swatches, and I'll go ahead and I'll pick this one. It's Steel Mountain color. All the way around. And that is the 32 by 32 by 36 pillar. Then the third size is a 32 by 40 by 32 by 40 pillar. We're going to raise this up, and it's by 36 height. We're going to do the same thing for the coping, offset it by 2 inches, push pull the coping down 2 inches, erase these lines, add your concrete color for the coping. And then I'll go ahead and do another masonry pillar. So I'll go ahead and add stone. And then you have your 3 sizes. So you have a 20 by 20 by 36 pillar here. Then you have a 32 by 32 by 36 pillar here in the center. And then to the very right is a 32 by 40 by 36 pillar. They're all the same height, just different widths and depths. And then same thing for inlays. If you wanted to add an inlay, you would just strictly go down 8 inches, and that would be your bottom line for the inlay. So where's 8 inches located at? There we go, couldn't find it. And then you're just going to go up 4 inches. And that is where your inlay will be. So for this one, then I go ahead and go back to hardscape, go to inlays, and I'll go to Town Hall Basalt again. Click that, and then that inserts the inlay. And then just do that all the way around. And then we have our inlay. If you wanted to add any lighting to the pillars, you would just simply go to components, go to lighting, go to sconce lights, and then this one is not on a wall. So I just simply prop it on there as centered as I could. Click the move tool or click M on your keyboard, and then click the blue arrow. Well, it's not the blue arrow, but it's the up arrow key. So that way you're locked on the blue axis for up and down. You're just gonna go down just a little bit. So that way it is centered on there. And then you have your light on there. And I think that light is pretty proportional to the pillar. Just try to make sure that you have it as centered on there as possible. Sometimes you have to move it around. Sometimes it gets locked in a certain way and it's hard to get it just where you want it. If you didn't want to place a light on it, you would go ahead and place some decoration. So whether it be a vessel bowl or some flowers. So let's go ahead and go to decorations and accessories. Let's see if we have any planters. That would look nice on here. Don't really see anything, but just for example, if we had a vessel bowl, you would just simply click on your component that you want to add, put it right onto the pillar to dress it up a little bit. And there you go. And you can save that as a group. So let's say I wanted to save this light and the pillar. So I would just go ahead and highlight the whole thing and I would say, make it a group. And then if they have two of these in front of the walkway, I just simply copy it and paste it. Or we'll use the move tool and control. Control is what deciphers if you want to copy a component. That's it for this video.